Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x minus 3 divided by 3 minus x is equals to 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards our first method. And in the first method, you see here 3 minus x is divided by left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 3, and it will be written as x minus 3 is equals to 3 times of 3 minus x. And further, in the next step we need more simplifications. So in the next step here we multiply these 3 separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as this is x minus 3 is equals to, when we multiply 3 on both of these two terms, it will be written as 9 minus 3x. And now here further in the next step we move our variable terms into the left hand side, and you see here this is minus 3x. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes plus 3x, and this x is already lies into the left hand side. This is minus 3, and when we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes here plus 3. And further here in the next step we have this is x plus 3x becomes 4 times of x is equals to 9 plus 3 becomes here 12. So further in the next step we need to divide both of the sides by 4 in order to remove this 4 from left hand side, so that for this we divide both of the sides by 4. After division by 4, it will be written as 4x divided by 4 is equals to 12 divided by 4. So this 4 and this 4 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here in the left hand side is x only, and in the right hand side we have this is 4 times 3 becomes 12, and here we easily get the value of x is equals to 3. So here you see that in the first method we will get here only one root of the given equation, and that is x is equals to 3. So here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of x be the solution of the given equation, or is this value of x be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x minus 3 divided by 3 minus x is equals to 3. This is our given question statement, and here we substitute the above value of x into the left hand side and we check its behavior. So when you put it here, it will becomes 3 minus 3 divided by this is 3 minus 3 is equals to 3. And here we need more simplifications, and you see here this is 3 minus 3 becomes 0 divided by this 3 minus 3 is also becomes 0 is equals to 3. So here you see that in the left hand side we have this is 0 by 0 form, or usually we will be called that it is the indeterminate form. So if our left hand side is indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. Okay, so if both of the sides are not equal, so this concludes about that the value of x is equals to 3 does not satisfy our given question statement. So we call that x is equals to 3 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. So here you see that we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So here finally we will be called that x is equals to 3 is be the extraneous root. So here the final conclusion about the solution set of this problem is that this question has no solution in general. Okay, so here we move towards the second method of this problem. So here we again solve this problem for a second method. So here in the second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is x minus 3 divided by 3 minus x is equals to 3. So this is the our given question statement, and here we introduce another quickest method in which we are just quickly get the values of x. So here in this method we need to take common negative sign from the numerator side, and here you see that this is x minus 3, and when we take common minus sign from here we get 3 minus x divided by this is also 3 minus x is equals to 3. Okay, so here you see that this 3 minus x is cancelled out by this 3 minus x, and after cancellation of these two values we will get here in the left hand side is minus 1 is equals to 3, and here you clearly see that minus 1 is not equals to 3, or in other words we say that it is not possible case. It is not possible that minus 1 equals to 3. So if minus 1 is not equals to 3, this means that here we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So if we cannot get any value of x, so this finally concludes about that this question has no solution. Okay, so this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.